other new arrival is the most oddball one we've had in a long time. The 1960 Ford Galaxie Starliner two-door Club Victoria. This thing is wacky. I don't think I've really ever seen one before this one.
Right, it's our first one.
Yeah, and they're just, I mean, in general, I don't think I've seen one.
Right.
They're just an oddball car, and for some reason, they either didn't make a lot of them, or they didn't survive, or nobody cared, and they all ended up in a junkyard.
Yeah.
You just don't see them very often. Monte Carlo Red and Corinthian White over red. Expertly restored. Uncommon Ford. I'll say that. 352 cubic inch two-barrel V8. Cruise-o-matic, and it's got the jet age interior.
It does. I see this one cruising through Palm Springs.
I do too.
It's like one of those mid-century cars.
Yeah, it's got that cool feel and look to it.